Good morning, viewers. I'm G. Venkat. Welcome to my show. Enjoy cooking, have fun. Yesterday, I got good responses from people. People appreciated my maiden effort and they supported me. But one message, what I got from a dear friend, he used to report to me 18-20 years back. He said, "Sir, I am craving to have it." He added further, "Sir, आप तो बनाते ही थे। आई एम श्योर आपको बनाना आता है, आपने बनाया है, आपने पोहा बनाया है और आपने लोगों का कैरियर भी बनाया है." आई वॉज ओवरवेल्म्ड टू सी व्हेन ही सेड, "सर, आपको बनाना आता है, हाँ आपने पोहा भी बनाया है, आपने लोगों का कैरियर भी बनाया है." आई ओवरवेल्म्ड टू हियर. थैंक यू. If even one single person is happy by seeing this video, even a single one person is having fun watching this video, even one single person having fun and enjoying cooking, I would love to add more videos. And what they say is, when he said आपने लोगों का कैरियर भी बनाया है, आई थॉट लेट मी शेयर सम सेल्स स्टोरीज, सम सेल्स टिप्स so that people can benefit out of it. When I say benefit, it is not beneficial for the salespeople, but it is beneficial for people in general. We got right from the morning, when you get up early in the morning, say 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, till 10 o'clock, you sell yourself. You sell yourself to your family, you sell yourself to an outsider the moment you get out of your house. So we constantly sell ourselves day in and day out. So I will surely top it up. When I say top it up, let me give a small story about it, my personal experience. Yesterday was my wife's birthday. So my daughter said, and it's a practice to cut the cake in the midnight. So I thought, let us give my wife a surprise. So day before yesterday, I called my daughter and said, let's go to Connaught Place and get some cake from Vengers. So we took all the precautions, put the mask, everything, and we went to Connaught Place. While riding the car, my daughter got a SMS from my son saying that the Big Chill restaurant makes good cakes. Their blueberry cheesecake is excellent. Why don't you try that? So my daughter told me immediately about that. I said, no, I believe only in Vengers. I'll buy only Vengers. Let's go. We entered Connaught Place. Before the Vengers shop, I saw it was closed. The Vengers shop was closed. Yes, suddenly I remembered the backup plan. I said to my daughter, okay, let's go to Big Chill. We went to Big Chill. Excellent arrangement. They are taking all precautions. They are having thermoguns. They check the thermometer. They have the sanitization. I was impressed and I was happy with the way they did the sanitization in the Big Chill before the entrance. They do it twice. One before entering the lift and second before entering the restaurant. The moment we entered the restaurant, yes, there was display of lot of cakes were there. But none of the cake was full. 3 to 4 portions were all missing. Generally Big Chill sell portions of cake. They don't sell the whole cake. So I told my daughter, let's buy 6 pieces. We are 5 in our family. I told her, let's buy 6 pieces, 6 portions. She said, no Papa, let's buy the full cake. When your daughter says something, you always say yes out of love. Yes, you generally say yes to your wife also. But that is there, from the subconscious mind, the fear overrides the love factor. But anyways, I said yes to my daughter. Knowing that they sell potions, so it will be costly, I told. I asked them, do you have smaller portion of the cake? They said, no, we make only this portion. I said, okay, let us buy this. I told them, let me have the big portion of this. Let me have the portion of this. I asked for the price. He quoted some whopping amount. I said, okay, pack it. So what he did was, he took up a tray from the fridge, which had the cheese base. From the another container, you took the blueberry toppings. So on the cheesecake, he topped the blueberry toppings and he finally topped it. I could realize the cake in itself, the base in itself was nothing. When he put up the topping, it added premiumness to the cake, and they were charging a premium price for the cake, and willingly I was paying a premium price for the cake. So ladies and gentlemen, whatever you do, top it with your expertise. I'm sure each and every person who is watching this video will always have some expertise of his own, something special with him. Add that special thing in that. Add that expertise in that. Top it, top it, top it. So never forget to whatever you do, top it with your special flavor, top it with your special fillings, top it up. So coming back to what I'm going to cook today, yes, I'll be preparing some Indian delicacies with the South Indian Palakkad tadka. Let's see what I'm going to cook now. Yeah, come. These are the ingredients. This is the onions finely chopped. This is your tomatoes finely chopped. This is adrak. This is mirchi finely chopped. And you have this sarson. This is jeera. This is urd ki dal. Urd ki dal is optional. If you are a South Indian, you love tadka of urd ki dal, you can put it. This is haldi. This is salt, and you have the oil. And this is some pepper and what do you call this? Long. So have few more of this so that you enjoy the taste of it. So today we are going to prepare harar ka dal. Yes, as always I say. So let me add up some oil. As I always say, in sales, add 4 to 5 teaspoons. In sales, you always have a great dinner. You dine like a king, and you have lunch like a pauper, and you have breakfast as a prince. Yes, in reality, it should be the reverse. You should dine like a pauper. You should have breakfast. Like a king, and have lunch. Have breakfast like a king and have lunch as a prince. So before adding this, add all the masalas. Now you will see some sounds, cracking sounds from the mustards. Add some haldi also. Can you hear the cracking sound? It will crack. Add some namak also. Can hear the cracking sound. When it is cracking, add the onions. Now stir it till the time it becomes golden brown. Remember, anything you make golden brown, the golden rule always applies. Even if it is black, say golden brown. I always My wife always says that. Don't worry about the black. If it becomes black, it has become more golden. So make it golden brown. Give it some time to become golden brown. By the time you have the dal ready, you have the tomatoes ready. Now everything ready is become golden brown. As I was saying, in sales, because you are always in a rush, so you always try to skip the breakfast, but you generally have something. Lunch you always have on the go. Dinner you enjoy because you are relaxed, you enjoy. So I think over a period of time, I will try to change this behavior of yours so that you have a breakfast like kings, lunch like a prince, and dine like a pauper. So this today I am showing you harar ka dal tadka so that you can enjoy it with rice. Making rice is very simple, and by the time I finish this video, you will also say making dal tadka is simple. Remember, if I can make it, anyone can make this. As simple as that. My fundamentals are very simple. If I can make it, everyone can make it. So add the tomatoes, enjoy the sound, enjoy it. The moment you start enjoying it, you will have fun preparing it. Cooking is all about enjoyment. Cooking is all about having fun. The moment you have fun, the moment you have enjoyment. Remember, gentlemen, COVID times, a lot of people are having tough time. If you can prepare something in your house, prepare few dishes more, few helpings more, so that you can share it with someone who is finding it difficult to feed himself, feed herself, feed his family. Do that social cause. I'm not asking you to serve more. Feed one or two people close by. Feed one or two people whom you see daily. Make one or two portions extra. Today I'll be making portions, one portion extra. I'm not making much, but I'll make one portion extra of dal tadka. And I'm thinking of feeding someone who is needy. When I say feeding, you can wrap it nicely and give it to him, give it to her. They can have it there or they can take it home. On a daily basis, think about it. On daily basis, small portions, small help makes a big difference. As they say, if one drop is dripping from the tap and if you have put a bucket, overnight the bucket will be full. In the night you might think one drop, what difference it makes, but in the morning when you see, you will have bucket full of water. So one drop makes a difference. Now it has become golden brown. Nice. It's nice. So what I'm going to do is, I have already cooked this dal. In pressure cooker. I have already cooked this dal in pressure cooker, pre-cooked. Very simple. If you are pouring 1 cup of dal, add 2 cups of water, then pressure cook it. 5 whistles, 5 CTs, close the, not close, switch off the gas, 5 CTs, switch off the gas, as simple as that. And whenever making the dals, when you are cooking this dal, everything, my always says add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is always thought to be auspicious. Turmeric will always have immunity powers. So whatever you prepare, add a pinch of turmeric in that dish. You will get a good color, it becomes auspicious, and you will add to the immunity. See, that's coming out extremely well. One boil, I'll close it. That's it. It is so simple as that. No big technology, no big difference. So ladies and gentlemen, going to end this video. Before ending this video, I thank you all for supporting me, for wishing me, but I promise you, I will continue sharing these videos for that 1% who is watching it, for whom I am making a difference, and I'll be sharing sales tips, sales stories, which can surely make a big difference in your life, in your careers. So it's boiling. All the best. G. Venkat signing off. Thank you.